Welcome to Pay Family Media, and today we want to take you through how to create a Kobotool box account. So, Kobotool box has become one of the powerful tools that you can use for your research work. That's for the data collection in recent times. It stores data Kobotool box in your browser. So, as you search for Kobotool box and it loads, you have this section which comes. So you now open this link, and then as it's open you have this interface. So this interface gives you a very brief story about Kobotool box. It gives you a very brief story about Kobotool box. So for us to create this accounts that we are here to do today, we can read a bit about what Kobotool box does and what we can use Kobotool box to do. So it is an online and offline app. It works on phones, tablets, or any browser. And then Kobotool box has a lot of features. I think as time goes on, we'll all discover. So for us to be able to create our account, you scroll down for us to get started. You scroll down and you have these two servers. So I call it the unlimited server and the limited server. So this depending on the kind of work you are about to undertake, you select the one that suits you most. So for example, as a student, I always prefer you to use a limited account because even though it is limited, the data storage is huge. 5 gig of data storage is enough for every student to undertake any project. And it is also good for researchers who don't have much of data collection to do. So the unlimited is also good for big institutions that have a lot of huge records to also pick on the field, or to even pick as time goes on in their daily activities in the offices. So the next thing that you have to do is depending on the server that you want to use. So let's say you click on create an account. So create an account, and as soon as you click on that, it loads for you to have session this session where you have to now enter the details as required. And one thing that you have to know about this part is the details are case sensitive. So when you have a capital letter being used for your password or being used as your username, kindly remember that it's a capital. It is case sensitive. So you now fill this depending on where you belong, and then you have to now click on create an account. So after you have done all this or gone through all these processes, you will now have an email sent into your account. So you have to now go back into your account, Gmail account or Yahoo account or Hotmail account or whatever you used, and then activate the link that has been sent to you. So from there you can now come back and then log in to this section and log into this session. So as you log into this session, you will have a very wonderful section like this where you can begin to design. Thank you. Kindly subscribe.